Hey mini enthusiasts, how you doing? Welcome back. I hope you're all well and I hope you're having a great day. As the video title suggests, we're back on the Racing Green today. It's been a little over 2 years since I started the restoration on this car and it's pretty much done now. But the interesting point is the original matching numbers engine block in it, which we found in the back of the garage, all seized up, hasn't run for 22 years. I contacted the previous owner, done a bit of research, and that engine was taken out of this car 22 years ago. And in today's video, we're going to get it running and driving again. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. It's certainly a special one. Please remember to give it a thumbs up. And if you do enjoy the video, please share it so others can see it as well. Enjoy today's video. Thanks everyone. So we have here a very rusty looking 998cc A+ engine block, which is currently seized. Now, what's so special about this engine block is that it's the original one. The engine number, which is on the logbook, so it's the original engine from the car. Oh, wonder who that is.
Hey mate.
Hi mini enthusiast, how are you doing?
I'm alright, I'll come bearing gifts.
Brilliant,
Well,
there's my head.
I gift.
Well, let's get it on the car.
Where are you?
There you go. Yeah, that went on okay.
Yeah, I'll just go. Make sure I'm not caught on the push rod.
That's another thing which is really hard to get hold of nowadays. 12-point AF size sockets. see people doing them like that.
Yeah. Well, I saw it for...
Anything will go in on roller rockers like that.
Yeah.
Fucking 175 psi. Ain't a bad start, is it?
Okay. About 160 that one.
Yeah. The oil pressure light's gone already.
Is it?
Yeah, you had the note changed, didn't you? Then? Right then, just say, so we're going to try and start that, just for anyone, any of the doubters out there, that's me touching the exhaust manifold, so it's stone cold. Timing's roughly set, got oil pressure, got oil in it, got fuel. I think we're good to go. Do you want to turn the key and we'll see if anything happens? Let me just make sure I can get the throttle. Yeah, go for it, mate. Nearly. Okay, do you want to give it sort of half choke if it'll stay there? It's just a bit flat.
I'll just give it a little bit.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
Go again.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And again.
Yeah.
It's the rockers, isn't
Yeah,
it?
rockers. A little bit of adjustment.
You give it a bit of idle speed and then we'll fiddle around with it. Well, there you go, it runs. If you're picking up a very, very slight knock on the camera, because it always sounds worse, it is those MED roller rockers. We've had to nick the rocker cover off PL because the MG Metro one, it just doesn't fit, it doesn't clear the rockers at all. Even with the standard rocker cover, it's still very, very close. So I think what I'm going to have to try and do is find like an oversized rocker cover. You can feel it knocking away. So here's the main man pull. Didn't take much to get it going, did it? And aside from that, just little knocking there, screws the nut, isn't it? So yeah, we'll just run it up to temperature now, make sure the water's all right, oil pressure come up pretty quickly. So yeah, very pleased. Right, there we go guys, I am absolutely chuffed to bits. It seems like forever that since this was last running, and it is, I guess it's 2 years, but the engine itself, whew, I don't know. I mean, if you remember originally that engine when I got it was a bit of a boat anchor, so I don't know how long it is since that engine's run, but we've had a quick run in it. It's absolutely sweet as a nut. Drives beautifully. Little bit disappointed the roller tip rockers from MED. One, you get washers with these ARP studs and they're too wide and they foul the rockers, so you need to use smaller washers. So that's something to look out for. And this is a standard rocker cover on there. I cannot get it to stop knocking on the rocker cover, even moving it around a bit. So I need to look at what other rocker covers are available. It should have that like MG Metro style one on there, but unfortunately the thickness of the casting in there, it doesn't, the bolt holes don't even line up here. They're out by about probably 3 or 4 mil. So I'm not going to be able to use that unless it's just because this is a reproduction one. Maybe the walls are thicker, I don't know. But yeah, a bit frustrated about it because that's one it's meant to have and look like. So at the moment it's got the rocker cover off POW on it. So yeah, everything went pretty smoothly. Only issue we had towards the end, there was a fuel leak at the back. Front to rear metal fuel pipe was corroded over the top by the subframe. I'd not noticed that, and obviously where I've disturbed it, it started to leak. So I had to sort that out quickly, and I need to fit a fuel filter on it. The only other issue as well, the servo is leaking really badly, so I can't set the mixture or anything at the moment. I cleaned that servo up, painted it and everything, but it's leaking like a sieve. So yeah, the shopping list with mini spares never ends. So I need a servo on it, but aside from that, absolutely sweet as a nut. Goes through all the gears fine, it's not leaking any oil, runs up to temperature fine. I need to let it cool down now, retorque the head, recheck the tappets, and then yeah, it's just bits and bobs then. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. It's really, really great getting that engine running again. And I've got to say thanks to Paul, who come all the way down here from up in, I think he's up in Solihull or up near Birmingham, brought the head down for me and helped me get it all fitted together. But yeah, it was quite straightforward. Those twin carbs though, they are hard work on minis. Twin carbs are lovely, but fitting them in the car, the throttle linkages, cables, things like that, they are just a bit of a pig. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, do consider subscribing. And we'll be back again soon on the Racing Green. So there's still more bits and bobs to do. We're not quite MOT ready yet. And I think the plan would be, I would really, really, really like to get that ready and first show Bingley Hall Mini Fair, which will be in January, which is pretty doable.